canvas sheet. Fine. Do you want to see the booklet? How it is available if anybody needs like later? Yes. So this is a canvas sheet booklet from which I had taken a canvas and I had made this. Okay, wait. Set up the camera properly. So this is the canvas sheet that I had made on which I did this color blending. So I had done a dark color over here, dark color over here, and in the center I took the similar tone light color and then blended it. And you can see that I made this artwork on it, and it is looking extremely beautiful. Thank you so much. So this is the reason why we need color blending. This is a painting which I had posted earlier on my YouTube. So there is, if you see this part, there is a color blending over here. This is the reason why you need color blending. This is another part where you can see color blending. So these are the two reasons that you need color blending in a painting. So do you get it? Why we need to understand, why we need to know what is a color blending is this reason. So you can create a sketch painting like this. You can create a normal painting like this. Of course, you can create a mandala, which I was going to do on this. This I have posted on YouTube. This is also color blending. This is a dark color, and in the center, I had taken a light color and just blended it. So this is the first part that we did. For those who had not attended the first part, I am just showing you why we need to do the color blending. Now today, I am doing color blending on a sheet. This is because I did it on a canvas last time, so wanted to show you another place where we can do, means you can do color blending in anything, on a sheet, on a canvas, whatever. So let's take a sheet today. So this is the sheet, a normal sheet which I have cut in a card shape, and we'll be doing color blending. This is a kind of color blending that we are going to do today. This is a kind of color blending. So let's start with it. And you just need a sheet which I have pasted. I will just finish pasting it on my sheet over here so that it doesn't move. The canvas basically doesn't move. That's why it doesn't need to be stuck like this. But yes, the sheet needs to, because it runs. Okay. So the colors that we are taking today is, this is the dark Prussian blue, a light color, a sky blue, which we can say this is a teal blue, but I want to take a sky blue. Yeah, this is a sky blue. I will take a sky blue and a white color. So these are the three colors that we are taking over here. Flat brushes, always, which I prefer taking, flat brushes. And let's start. So for this, we are not going to blend the way we blended last time. We are just going to take a sheet. Okay. Mix some water, take dark blue color. Not going to take much of a time. Just take the dark blue color. Okay, so we just did the upper part with the dark blue. Remember last time also I had said that you have to make the color little watery. You just cannot do dry colors. So I've taken a little watery color, making it a little more darker because it seems to be opaque to me right now. Then I am taking the light blue color. Okay. Again, I am making it a little bit more lighter. Okay, so we are coloring it on the lower portion of the sheet. It will just take few minutes, but yes, why I can do it little faster, quicker is because it is my forte. I have been practicing this since years. You may take a little more time, but do not get panic. That is just fine. So this is the color that I have mixed and mixed both the colors and I am painting it. And then I'm taking the white color mixing the white color to it. Make sure the color is little watery. Again and again I am repeating this. So you got a 3-tone over here, which I would be blending now. We got a 3-tone color. Now we have to take a plain brush, take a little water and start blending it upward. Start blending it upward. So this is whoever had attended the last time can see a little difference that in that earlier one, I had just taken one color and blended it. I did not make a 3-tone. Here I made a 3-tone and start blending it. And you will get almost this. Again, I am taking a normal brush, blending it over. Or you can, if you do not have so many brushes, you can just wash your brushes and use it. So do you understand why we need color blending? Why this is so important in your painting is, see, if you are not washing your brushes, this is going to happen, which is not really good for your painting. So that's why I take fresh brush all the time. So I am going to take this color because I need more of a light shade over here, which I am not getting. I'll wash the brush and put this little color over here. And I'm taking it directly from the bottle itself. So you can see this color blending over here. And I extremely enjoy doing this. Whichever painting has such kind of a blending, I extremely enjoy doing this once you people will know how to do this, I'm sure you will also enjoy it. So I am not able to see any more comments. So that is it, what I wanted to show you all. See, I can go on and on it. And it is actually a process, basically. It was almost done, but I still want to do more on it and kept doing. So yes, so this is a color blending, what I was talking about and what we did. I can take more of a dark over here, give a little more dark shade to it, because I am finding it a little off here. That's why. So yes, now I feel I am getting that kind of a, yes. So am I getting the perfect blend on this? I will show you here. Where is the painting gone? So can you see this blend over here? Can you see this blend? This is a blend over here. And this blend is the similar blend. Only the colors are plus and minus, dark color and light color. But the blend is the same. This much blend is the same blend on this. So this is very important to know how do we blend the colors. And after this, my upcoming videos, I will let you know today. What I would be doing is I'm doing coffee painting. After all the 3 parts which I finish, I would be doing a mandala live on Instagram as well as Facebook. And of course, a coffee painting, a mandala, and whatever you all want to see more, you all can just let me know. Thank you, Madhurima. I hope, yes, coffee painting and mandala. I wanted to announce this today to all the fans over here. And let me take the laptop as well. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you all are going to do this and show it to me. Please do show it to me. Please do it and show it to me. You can DM to me. I'll post it on my wall. Urvi, you are a good artist. You can do these paintings, and there were 2 paintings that Urvi, Madhurima, everyone have seen. Sonal, yes, I'm expecting from you as well. You are a great painter. This is nothing for you, basically. But yes, Prithvi, please show it to me. Khushbu, you are having green color, I suppose, at home, right? So you can do this with green color also. So just show it to me, DM to me. I'll post it on my page. I'll tag you. And thank you so much. Yes, Khushbu. So I need this blend, the second blend from you. So this blend was painting the dark upside, lower downside, and then mixing it. Hi, Sarab. I think Sarab have joined a little late. We have just finished it. So please, okay, I was saying what we did. So the above one is dark, lower one is light. Mix them and make 3 blends and then blend it with a plain brush. So this is the synopsis. Please make it, show it to me. So happy creating, be safe, be home. And if you all need any kind of art supply, I can't say that I can provide, but yes, I can help you with it through somebody if you all need it. Fine. Thank you so much, everybody. So see you all on 14th with the technique, the third technique I will be showing you all. See you all on the 14th. Fine. Bye.